So right now there have been talks whether you guys are part of the alliance or you're not going to go it alone, or you are negotiating with PDP or any other person. In terms of talks about the alliances, what's your position?
Yes, our position as NPP has always been that we are for an alliance, an all-inclusive, comprehensive alliance to remove ZANU-PF from power. But be that as it may, we are not prepared to accept any preconditionalities. Most of us in the NPP, we come from different backgrounds. Others were in the MDC itself, others were in ZANU, others were in ZANU. So we have been involved in these things before, and we know what not to do and what not to repeat. So generally, in principle, we are for the alliance. We are talking to all other parties, but unfortunately others have given conditions to say, the alliance must have a name, it must have their own name, their own president must be the president. Already, we don't believe that is negotiating in good faith. And as such, we differ with those who think like that. But at the same time, when negotiating with all the opposition parties, and we're able to say others are progressive, they see the need for inclusivity, they see the need, for the need to be selfless, to sacrifice for the sake of the nation, not to hold on to positions for the sake of themselves as persons or as political formations.